Hey guys, it's Steve here with the Food Pilgrimage, and today we are in Brick Lane. So this is video number 2 in our vegan mini bite series. So we're here with Ollie.
Hello everybody, I'm a real life vegan.
You'll remember Ollie if you watched the first one of these videos in this playlist. We went to What the Bitter.
Oh, that was absolutely delicious.
Yeah, What the Bitter was special. But we're going for something a little bit weirder today, a little bit more unusual. So it's what is it, Ollie?
I couldn't quite believe this when I read it. So it's vegan, Italian, Korean fusion food.
And what a mouthful that is. It's quite a tongue twister.
I've never heard of anything like it. I didn't think Italian and Korean could ever go together, but we're about to find out how.
And vegan as well. Yeah, what a combo. So yeah, it's on Brick Lane. It's just around the corner, so we're going to go and check it out. And it's reviewed amazingly well, so looking forward to it.
See you shortly.
I make this kimchi green with spirulina containing vitamin B12. This I make with turmeric, a color yellow, is meaning it's cleaning our liver. This viola kimchi I make with rosemary, take out infection from our body. This red color I make with the chili, so a little spicy and support our higher energy level. It's always homemade. This is evolution for our young generation people.
So we've been given a little amuse-bouche.
Yeah, we're in vegan yes, and it's sort of focusing around kimchi.
Yes.
Kimchi and health. Yes. They're really friendly people. And yeah, the ladies just brought us over and explained what these different kinds of kimchi are. So we're going to try them. They've got the 4 different kinds. So what colour should we do first, Ollie?
I would like this yellow one.
Alright, we're going to try yellow first. So this is white radish fermented with turmeric and ginger.
Oh, that is so refreshing. That's really nice. A bit of sesame.
Oh, whoa.
Really nice and refreshing.
What a huge flavour! I didn't expect that. It's like that. It's such
like,
a unique.
you know,
flavour.
after sushi, you have those little bits of ginger. It's like that, but just a lot nicer.
Yeah. Yes.
Not as strong, a bit more subtle.
Try and show the camera. So it's quite simple. It's just fermented white cabbage, but
I've just tried the green one. That's it tastes a bit wasabi-ish, that one. White cabbage with mint.
Mint and spirulina.
Yeah.
Spirulina. That's a really crazy good health food that you hear about quite often. I think it's made from green algae.
I think she said this one contains a lot of vitamin B12.
Oh wow. The flavours are like very unusual. Like nothing you normally taste.
I'm going to try this spicy one.
Yeah, it's time for the chili one.
Oh. Fermented Chinese leaf. That's nice, very nice. Immunity boosting garlic in that. That is really nice. That's a bit more what I would consider kimchi to be.
It's really nice. Thank you. And this one is red cabbage and carrot. This one.
Yes.
Brilliant.
Yeah.
And we do
Red cabbage.
rosemary.
Oh, rosemary. Is that this one?
Rosemary.
That's really nice. It's quite soft, that one.
Yes.
It's quite soft.
Because food is medicine. So we consider we are eating food for our natural medicine.
Yeah, I feel better after eating that.
Yeah, it gives you energy.
High energy.
Yeah. Very good. Which one's your favourite?
My favorite is red because I'm Korean.
Yeah.
I was born in South Korea, so my habit is to eating red kimchi.
You like chili? Spicy?
I like it spicy as well.
And I live in Italy more 30 years.
Oh, wow.
So I understood the two cultures difference and different food.
Yeah.
I suggest to my husband, he's a chef, Mauro. He invented only food.
Oh, it's brilliant. It's really,
Yeah.
really nice. It's a very unusual fusion, Korea
Yeah,
and
Korea,
Italy.
Italian.
Yeah, it's great though. I really like it.
Fusion meaning is we can evolution, future our food.
Yeah.
People is changing.
Yes.
But the food is remain in the back.
Yeah.
So we bring food to the future.
Yeah, I like that. It's inventing new things.
Yes.
It's great.
Oh, wonderful. No, the whole idea of the fermented food being really, really good for your gut health and all these different ingredients being good for different aspects of health, I really, really like them. And the flavour is amazing.
Almost we make a homemade.
Oh, brilliant.
Because our object is food is the non-preservative.
Yeah.
This reason we make on ourselves.
Make it fresh. Make it
exactly.
Oh, brilliant. Yeah, I like that. Okay, great. So, Ollie, you think you might have the lasagna?
I think can I have the lasagna?
Lasagna.
And it might be kimbap or bibimbap. Which one?
If you want to share, it's better kimchi bibimbap.
Share that with either,
because
maybe.
four colors together, everything.
Okay,
with
that
the
sounds
rice.
beautiful.
Got some nice turmeric bread here. A lovely colour. And it's delicious when you dip it in there. And put a bit of kimchi. Really nice.
Kimchi Bibimbap. Ready?
Wow.
And do you know the meaning of the bibimbap? Bibim, mix, and bap, rice.
Mix of rice.
Yes, that is the name.
Looks amazing.
Thank you. That's brilliant.
Thank you very much.
Lovely, thank you.
That looks wonderful.
That looks so pretty.
Look at the
It
colours.
smells amazing.
Oh yeah,
Wow,
this is what we
look at
get.
Wow. Oh,
Brilliant.
wow,
So
that looks amazing.
This is your creation.
Yes, homemade pasta, homemade bechamel sauce, homemade kimchi, homemade parmesan.
Oh,
And the powder on top, the spinach as well, is extra virgin olive oil, soya sauce, homemade parmesan.
oh, looks amazing. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Looking forward to it.
Enjoy.
I never thought I'd eat Korean lasagna.
Yeah, the kimchi lasagna is a fantastic idea. Okay, we've got our food. They just brought it over. They're such lovely people, isn't it? We've got, first off, a Kimchi Bibimbap, which is rice with all four different types of kimchi. Onto the second huge plate. This is the Kimchi Lasagna. So that's where the real Italian Korean fusion's coming in here. It's their own creation. So homemade pasta, homemade kimchi, spinach and vegan parmesan all over it, and Ollie's digging in. What do you think?
Yeah, I couldn't wait. It's absolutely lovely. Now, you might think it's a crazy combination, but it's quite typical to have chili pasta. So that's essentially what this is, except you've got that lovely crunch of the kimchi as well. So it's quite spicy. It's a lovely spicy pasta. You've got that lovely vegan crunchy parmesan with this lovely spinach here as well. So it actually works really well. And when you start eating it, you realise it's not actually as crazy a concept as it may originally seem.
It really works. Amazing.
Really good.
Amazing. I'm going to dig into the.
This is like a beautiful rainbow, isn't it?
I know. I almost don't want to touch it. It's so pretty, but it's really testing my chopstick skills, which are not so good. Yeah.
Because it's a Korean chopsticks is steel. It's the other country using wood.
Yeah.
Because Korea is a peninsula. We had many countries attack our country, so for our survivor, my people is using the steel, because when you put it in the food, inside is poison food, still's color is changing.
Oh wow. Okay.
So our survivor history, We made
Wow.
still a chopstick.
Wow, that's really interesting.
Yeah.
Right, tuck in, Steve.
I'm diving in. I've got to disturb it. I know it's so beautiful, but I'm going to go for this chili one again because that is amazing. Whoa. Oh, there's flavours.
What's the rice like?
I haven't got to the rice yet. I'm still on that kimchi. It's just amazing, but it's just honestly like flavours I've never had before. I haven't explored much Korean cuisine. I've had kimchi maybe once, but wow, there's such a unique flavour. Let's try that rice with a bit of that sauce. My chopstick skills are holding up for now, but I might have to grab a fork at some point.
That's the problem with being a sweaty Englishman with steel chopstick.
Wow, that's not just rice. The sauce is amazing. It's a little bit like, reminds me of like teriyaki, Japanese teriyaki sauce. Really, really, really good, but the kimchi is definitely the star of this show. Going for the green one with a little bit of the sauce on. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, that's so good. So good. I think this yellow one's my favourite. It's the flavours of the ginger and the turmeric soaked into the cabbage. I could really eat this all day. And you got little slices of carrot in there as well. And the little poppy seeds. It's absolutely beautiful. And it's a huge, huge bowl of food too. I mean, there's loads of rice under there. It's really, really going to be filling.
Have you tried some of this spinach? Really nice.
No, let's try that next. One more mouthful of rice. Oh, that's so good. That's so good. So what's this spinach? Has it got the vegan parmesan?
Yeah, this has got the vegan parmesan, and it's really fresh spinach with olive oil. Really nice and crunchy. Just quite an umami taste with the parmesan.
It looks wonderful.
A bit of balsamic. This is quite fresh Italian salad style.
Yeah. Delicious. Really, really good. I love the vegan parmesan that's on top too. It does give it that real richness. Oh, different. That's different. I think it's the same red kimchi, but
It's because it's been cooked, I think.
yeah,
It's a
because
bit
it's been
softer.
cooked, it's gone really soft. The flavour's kind of gone a bit deeper as well.
Yeah, it's
Wow.
it's just really rich, really nice and spicy. But I love spicy food.
Spicy, soft kimchi lasagna. I mean,
And
what's
surprisingly, it works so nice with cheese because if you think about pasta again, if you have spicy pasta with cheese, it just works.
I think it's a special type of rice too. I think they use more of a short grain rice, so they're like, a bit more like a risotto rice, one of those really puffy ones. But, you can feel like this food is really doing you good. You can feel like it's healthy. Yeah, there's a whole idea around the health food. It really does feel like that when you're eating it.
Kimchi burger, homemade patty, homemade kimchi, homemade mayo, homemade parmesan. Yes.
Wow.
They're beautiful.
What's the purple?
The purple is a mayo, homemade with kimchi viola, with the kimchi inside the
Wow.
It's
lovely.
Kimchi.
Oh wow.
Oh my gosh.
Look at that.
Because the chocolate is
chocolate potato. Weird but wonderful.
Chocolate potato.
With almonds?
Yeah.
Almond cut with a knife on top, sesame, and hemp seed inside.
Wow.
Good.
So you need. I am 60 years.
Really?
Oh wow. You don't look
Really?
it.
I'm vegan. We are what? We are eating.
Oh my god.
I'm 60 years.
Can't believe you're 60.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm selling the go.
More.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Voila.
So what are these? What is a mochi?
Mochi is the traditional Korean or Japanese cake. It's a bowl of rice, chewy, with red bean paste inside. And this is the same, but I was idea to dip it in dark chocolate. So now it's crunchy outside and chewy inside. And it's different topping, sesame, pistachio, and sunflower.
Yeah, let's do that.
That's so chewy.
Yeah. You know, in Japan, In Japan is more chewy than this style, and it die some people in the ear because when it swallow, it remind yeah.
Oh wow, it's really nice.
Wow, such an unusual item. Nice.
Very nice.
Okay, my first try of a mochi. I've got the sunflower seed one. Oh wow. It's like nothing I've ever had before. That's fantastic. Really spongy, like if you look it's kind of squidgy.
Okay. So
And it's got that red bean paste inside. That's really unusual. I mean, I'd never eat desserts, like I mentioned with the baklava in the last video, the what the bitter, but it's almost not like a dessert. It's not massively sweet. It's because it's the rice paste and the red beans. It's got a savoury element to it, but delicious. And a really strange texture. It's quite chewy.
I would like to share my vision. If you travel for each countries, some nations has the conflict. Through their fusion food has the possibility to unite the people.
Yes, it does.
Because it's a religion is a difference, many kind of difference. If we accept diversity, it's good, but can't accept because mind. But if food through the food is fusion food, has the possibility to unite the nations.
I agree with you. That's a lovely vision.
So my vision, I'm going to this way. Is now is fusion Italy Korean. But if we will go the other country, we will make fusion food and eliminate conflict nation to nation. Is to make the peace. It's
I think it's very possible.
Life is positive thing. Is life is lovely, you know. Oh my God, Stephen, come on.
Okay, I will quickly.
Yeah.
Steven, come on. Yes.
Vegan. Yes.
Woo. Yes.
Welcome.
It's a great show. Thank you so much, guys.
Thank you so much.
Thank you. Very nice.
Just had the most fantastic meal at Vegan Yes, and they were two really, really lovely
Yeah,
people.
well, what an experience. It's not often you get to meet the owners and have them talking about all the stories behind the food.
Yeah.
Fantastic experience.
And
I
I love-
recommend it to anyone.
I love her vision that it's not really about being a restaurant. They're really there to teach people, and they run classes. We're definitely going to have to come back and speak to them a little bit more and maybe come to one of their classes because there are so many other dishes on their menu that we want to try. So it's going to be more of these guys.
Yeah, food is medicine. That is one of their mantras. Yeah, and really enjoyed it. Amazing new flavours, a fantastic little pudding that was just like unlike anything I've ever had before. Yeah, absolutely amazing.
Brilliant, yeah. So guys, remember to subscribe. We're doing a little series of these vegan bites. So watch the playlist on our channel, subscribe to our channel, and please do us a huge favour, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Cheers.
Cheers, guys.